The African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. We invite you to the wedding ceremony of Talent Majaya and Lizita Mai, who followed the marriage doctrine in the way we were taught by God's servant Ernest Pomahaza of Africa. And as the word of God says, whoso findeth a wife, findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor of the Lord. Proverbs 18, verse 22. This marriage ceremony will be held on 12 June 2021 at Rijeko Kereke Ushewe Kunze, Harare. For more information, please feel free to contact Secretary Talent Majaya on 078-549-0247. Delight Tamai on 077-877-1839.